Hello. This is the very first video for 2009. Today I'm going to present to you my latest newest asset in my HP printer fleet. Presenting my new LaserJet 4300 DTN. It has features. A major feature to the 4000, above the 4000, is obviously it's about 45 pages per minute, and the drum of the toner has its own motor, separate motor from the rest of the gear train system, which is also operated by another motor. On the top here, what I'm pointing at is called the stacker assembly, and this has a capacity of about 500 sheets. This one here, the standard one, is about 250 sheets. 250 sheets output. So in total it's about 750 sheets of total output space, which is pretty good for a high volume machine, high volume printing. So you can actually do your legal documents and up to about 750 sheets or more. So that means if you want to do a great big document, you don't have to be attending to the machine all the time, and you can just print and just leave it. It is pretty good for a busy environment. However, the stacker is not really used that often. Mostly, more commonly, is about the 250 sheet only, which is standard. And this particular model has a duplexer, and I can zoom it in and show you. This is the stacker. That's the stacker, and behind the machine I'm pointing at is called a duplexer, and this will allow you to do double-sided printing. Double-sided printing like this. Like this. Double-sided, automatic double-sided printing. Like that, like so. And this is the current Granville Church bulletin. So, I hope that this explains about the unit, about the 4300 DTN by HP. These machines were manufactured between 2002 and I think 2004. This particular machine was built in August 2003, so it makes it 6 years old. Recently I bought it off eBay, and however I recently got hold of a maintenance kit to put it in there. The page count was about 50,000 pages, I think, at the time it was in service early this month. So it is pretty much a recent purchase. But I strongly suggest that you should consider buying this model off eBay. It's a very good price. However, the newer variant is the 4350 model, which is after this one, and that model is about 55 pages per minute, and the processor is slightly faster by 50 megahertz. The processor of this machine is about 350 megahertz, and the 4200, which is similar, looks the same in appearance, is just 35 pages per minute, and a 300 megahertz processor. Sorry, I said gigahertz, so confused about that. Just because we're all running on gigs these days, not megs, is because I'm a little bit confused between the two. Just the signs of the times, I guess. However, before this model was the 4100, and that was running at about 25 pages per minute, and it was an updated version of the 450 and the 4000 models, which they got the 4000 and 450, which is my previous machine I was using, and I'm still using it for junk printing, and it's at the moment during the retirement transition period, because I bought some toners for my older machine, and the machine's still good. It's been refurbished over time with new bits and pieces, and it's pretty much in very good condition, not worn out, and just need more speed. However, I can print 30 page double-sided bulletin in under 10 minutes, and that's double-sided. The two double-sided is pretty quick too. It spews out the. Firstly, how duplexing works in this model is that it does the first side into the machine, spits out the paper from the 250 sheet tray, and sucks it back in again. And it goes through the duplexer, and then it goes through the normal path. It's simplex. It's single-sided. And you have to make sure that when you do duplexing, you have to make sure that the paper orientation matches with the edge, with the leading edge or the top edge. Depends what you're doing. Otherwise the printing will be upside down. So you better watch it there. But before you do a printing run of more than one copy, you must do a trial print first. That means you don't waste paper. Practical advice from Practical Ways. Exactly how this church bulletin was made. Now, this is the edge that you should set it at to do this bulletin. Otherwise it'll be upside down. This bulletin I actually built from scratch using Microsoft Publisher. However, I hope this video is very informative about the newer LaserJet 4000, about the 4400 model. Please consider it. It is a very good model indeed. Thank you for watching. So, please consider this model. Thank you for watching, and see you later, and more videos will be coming very, very soon.